Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. Redmi Watch 5 Lite has recently launched with AMOLED display along with Redmi Watch 5 Active, which comes with LCD display. Today we are going to look at its health tracking features, which include sleep tracking, heart rate, steps, etc., battery life, and watch faces. Redmi Watch 5 Lite provides extensive detailed accurate sleep data, which is best in this budget. It also measures breathing quality while sleeping. It also measures accurate REM sleep, in which most budget watches struggle. Redmi Watch 5 Lite offers 200 plus beautiful watch faces. Most of these offer 2 to 3 color options, which you can change by clicking Edit. All watch faces are useful and attractive. You can change these from watch or from app as well, and process is very simple as shown. It offers great battery life. You can see that after 3 days of use, it is down to 92%, which shows it has really good battery life. So overall, Redmi Watch 5 Lite is one of the best budget smartwatch, which offers 1000 nits bright, beautiful display, long battery life, accurate data tracking due to new PPG sensors, changeable 22mm straps. You won't find good deal in this budget.